Nana mi busa se de ben kwa na ye ya. Enti ye de container, ye de cranium. E de be kwa kosi afrom. Na ye twanwe guso kama. Na yakasa ye de ye kwan. Yankopɔ tena so wa no hu se nkrofo mu adwen ye. E no se ensuo to. E na ensuo nto ye. Ensuo ne to ye wie ye no. Eba mic nim. Ensuo ne to wie ye no. Na Yankopɔ se Bagri Dam mumye second phase. Ebi ye na be dwi na tie na wo ho no nyina. Am so abrante bi so nkotwa video mra me no no kɔ do de omampani dada Mahamadin kofra video dim. And me de maiwa 05 say on lower that part of it. Na ye misa contract and say ye man contract ye catch and say on fa container na fa kwhye hɔ na. And afa container no ayi ne ho sei. And na esi hɔ. And no meti funny comment bi wo baby. Say we call mining areas na ye de ankre any containers e de ye temporary bridges e makase fa so e lie. Because we call mining communities now, the tracks are heavy tracks. Tracks, no, are heavy. Enti enya dia, ya de yes akwan ni bi ho. Me nimma boase bebre, ba matno boase mfimi no. So woni mam catch plane. Am tutuka. Baton mfimi no. Na me dimate.
Mate me.
Na me dimate 207.
Nyamwa.
Party. You free baby ni ya bedru ha o. Na me dimate. Eti me hunu kwan ya ne saa. Eti no da ho. Assemblyman cross on kwan na ye no won no nim. Contractor o ye kwan no. Minim no.
Kwam kroni the same.
Kwam da so.
E wo region
half
for no the muho baby. Kwam da so ha.
E ho no cheso pani bia nko ho nkohwe. Ti ye de ye pe wo.
No but e no problem no. In the at the end of the say contractor dey say uja no man the kwan a. Obeka te cost aye de obeye bia.
Na captain e complete worker contractor na wie.
Why first face into
say won wie ye de nanka ne mimi hu ne say yempanyini asa wonum ye akwane nhwe fi say e bi ameye na for temporary way no me de we hye ho na miguso ye adwuma ne de a na wo se wawi atene nsa firi ho no hand over ma ban ye ode adwuma ne hye ne nsa de e wo se ye kye no
ye kwan a ye wie maka fa so
se sa na te ye de a wo se ye kye no
e kwan no so ye ntwe ne bumu we ye duru baby a na ye tua oka na wako anim kakra na ye tua oka baby a wa ye na ye tua ne ka ti ye tua akwa ye betua
unsa for sa road project ya na ewa contract ne so no obehwe na project supervision cars obiti ministry obiti highways obiti henfa ya to project supervision car e de ama na wo se ekwohwe project no no wa ma contractor ye bibi say ye tua ne ka because wa ye first phase awie and all of that ye blame contractor no anya de ba wo blame ono nko anso anya yi collusion obi enim hu bi no ma ne kwan ma ne yes
I mean low volume no na
it's terrible
I was all that all so
okay I'm the
and no adwuma me de ba wanye
na
kago microphone
ne mo ye
oso de ato osisi
munya na ne mo ye na nya mamo mumienu
eno me ma wadwuma wanye oya shakwan no shakwan na ye ka mo
na we usha un say why first we na we de anwa na guso aka quota na ode be fa so nti
contractor na na ye adwuma no
obeye ni say ya agya ho akọ
kapito wanya contractor crow ye adwuma no
your friend just small
oh
just small Dabi
hold on
Dabi
mama nkwa ahoma no so na me ne Matam Moses ona ye assemblyman e wo sa empotem ho Premoise electoral area e ho na obutu edi assemblyman kama honorable what me nka me mo acha no pay
yeah
bibi aye boko de
ko
pacho electoral area no ye friend sen yankasa bo amna menya din ye
pacho Premoise
okay Premoise electoral area pacho e wo hin which part of Bronga half
Sen Bronga
Sene East
yeah
Senate East or Bronga half. Patwa ekwanya ye ka ho asem ya container de kra niam na hya se de e wo sa electoral area ho.
Nipacho ai.
Nyabutra na bonye nkomo. Ete say eyede na container no be hye ho.
SMP. Yetie ni se wo hwe ekwan a omuta ase efiri kwame dan so e de ba nsia no kujukum na omuta ase efiri kwame dan so ta bedu babi efe ho bodinka makasukuta sa ba bedu bodinka the free bodinka ni nyankwantre ensinsim ho no na kuta no ababisi ya omo asase efiri nyankwantre sa ediba ensia no de kuta ni bi anka ho na bridges a ewo sa ensinsim no aye serious pa no ba ko 5 free nyankwantre o free nyankwantre krona edi free babia kuta no akwa sina kuta funny say bridge ba ko ho uba nyankwantre kronu ma bridge ba ko ho uba every nyankwantre eba primoase na bridge enia abuno eno so ka ho na ofri primoase ta bridge na abuno edi ba kronu ma bridge ba ko ho na ofri primoase eba nketia eye babia meme wona eho efre on nketia bat ne under primoase electoral area no bridge ba ko esan ewo ho bio sa bridge sa mebubo nyina eye bridge sa ewuhia pa ewo se omo etini eye ansana omo timi aye kwan kra
Pacho
yeah
ode wi kan dey na opesa o kan wi kan wi
but usha sa bridge ni nyina edida ho atisi a me ne o ka say ni nyina edida ho ya obia ni wa ode ni nsa aka but omo timi atra kwan no nti se ka ba na bridge ni ho no abaye kitwa ka bia ni wa ebetimi amane afami no emu nyini nya betimi abomu afeno nti primoase de na abu na sisia no ho de na bu bridge ni free so nti aka ho kwan nsuo no enya kwan de efa so nti omo yes na omo di container no ebesi mu container na omo di sim no on say one side no abie nti omo ankasa na aka another side na omo di aye nti toko na omo ata no emu mbai te other side no nti nsuo no ba abayirim ntumi emfa so enye de na afa nyane gravis ni nyina e di afro. This is the second time first time omo ye no na fi say ebetumi aye na nsuo last year no nsuo no bayire na afa container no efri ho na omo san akofa dia besi na omo san the same year this year ya na omo abansa
na omo ya kwan na wonni ho
omo ya kwan na me assembly member na me wo ho
wan kohwe
makohwe
se ye de container no hye ho no hu
ni hu
o ka dai
ni me ka fa no hu se because o hwe ye sa emre na ye assembly members no oni se we no o ka ye say every central government na eye enti enya ade a ye assembly members ni ye kokwa meeting a bi a emfa se contractor no ba se oba be ye bibi ana so obeka ntem no ani bebusa ne se bebusa DC na kwan na ye no eho entutuye akwakosi sen ansana DC di akere yen na yenso ya babo ya manfo amane
ntem ko busa ne ye kan dai
ko musa no na ye se contractor na wo ye kwan ba no nia yanya free district assembly ne kire se time DC contractor no ye kwan no government na kwan no afriso ama government fu na aba enti omo ye ne se omo hwe nkrata mu ansana oma audit opeso audit kwan no ansana omo tunya ama contractor no asa aba kwan no kudi enti besi this time last meeting ya ko ye na bisa DC enti omo audit kwan no sa besi da ben omo peso audit ekokosi ansana omo asase aye se se amene okasa okokwa me danso a enna ne ya na me fi kwa me danso kokodu ye no na contractor no ka bia nsa ni om camp dim se so ma pake om niema nyina eko no bi a ye be audit kwai na contractor no atumi asesa ne niema kwade na te se kwani de enya ade om beta atumi aba be ye bi
enti no time na wo ye assembly member na wo ye no wasam na okademe nyanti ase ye
yeah
wo ye assembly member na wo ko hu no saa wo ho no contractor na oye kwan na nkasa wo hia no busa no de nti a o de container na ehye ho aya bridge amamo
openi anokreni contractor ne de sisi a meni kasa de contractor na kasa nkra de minim no
na wo so wo hu se ye de hye ho na ne ho na ko hu so de hye ho
sa workers na omo eye etuma ho no se ye anokreni wo mu ni se engineer na owo district assembly no ye ne no anytime bia yetimi ko no ho ebusa no sa ekwan no so atem enti engineer na ye ko bisa no no etrese wo mo se container no betumi awodu kopim se on ba be ye bridge no
ebe hold ye kopim so ba be ye den bridge ben
bridge na o mo di container no ehye ase no
enti ye tua ka se ye mfa container no nhye ho
sedio omo ka no se omo anu kra na wo mu ni se omo se ye fe ni se aban no afri so nti aban foforo na o se oba audit nti se kopim se o me audit awi ansa na o meta aba kwan su biem
no but me nye construction expert ba container etimi wi na chi ye wo krum ha ye hunu bi ya atete awe na chi etete na wo ye assembly man wo area mu ho na wo hu se ye the container e hye from ho a ensuo na befem abetimi awe yesa so de nete egu hu awunim se nsuo to na fam a nti wa ko hu ye no one raise protest bia one tro bibia
yo obeni we de madase na ne tie ni se yana ye wa ha no a ye assembly members no ana se me am wo e ho na me assembly member no obisa this year owo sini ise ha eni kane this year owo na free one fufuro eba ye ya ye hun kata bibia wo endura kwa ye kokoduru ye kwa me endura enan ya etie ya me koye ekoko hu ye no na ke se container no kwa no anu won nyina atete enna me bisa wo mu se na container ya ani atutu a fence ani intenta won nyina atete na se ya se amusa sa ase e de container no ya philipium enya fufo sa ya the same dada na ensure e pese e fa de koi amusa ndi e de adwuma de na te se mpese ente bia na te se e sa ati afrisu amusi ai katere mi se ai e ya no kure but omo pese omo ye we kakra ansana ensure ye se etia ansana omo aye fufuro sa no mo katere mi
ukromo for na sedai amanfo yisu bridge na den no moka
anu kren na kopani me manfo ni nyina esupa emra santifo ma na omo free kumasi ebeta mo ko akrachi ekoto na ma omo ba ekura no omo bedu ekura no na se de me kan anu kren na kopani mi na che se omo kura empini so kura se wo mo emfa sa bridge na container no enye biem because container no awe.
Okay. What the share wedi na what you say?
That was last year. This and run on we and I know that was Monday no. And ensure a toy casipa and the team Benadano. Let us say at Jaffi Sukra.
Let us say
and Briana on we
as a braffy. Okay. Amenda wase. Na men kwa ho no so na me opening John Nana Boateng just more construction and to enkomo no so eja Boateng wote men ka me moache
kase mecho nkapa na boko de
nyamya dom bibia e boko wonso e
nyamya dom boko pa
jide se fie boko
bibia e kama
ala ne ma ho nya
obia ho ye papa
mo me da se patwa sa kwan wo na wo ye
pacho ene
okay na container ne yede na be shim be de na bam
yo captain das me say Okase kwe hona mewo sisia container na issue na me say e kwan a area ma contract e yen wodwuma na be a issue a hu say afa kwan ni mafa no e was section ya ye e kwan na 70 kilometers ya ye kwan na guso a travel almost about 35 but the other one ye nya adwuma nru ho be a sa incident we see no yen nru ho kra by kwan no kwan da wa bridge kitwa bi sha hye esua a ho no consultant for no mo propose say emfa bridge kese pa emfa nhye ho but the volume of ensure na fa sa bridge to ni esua enti me rem na yi ba the other section before I do sa bridge we know ama kwan ni mu no etwa see we cry see last year the we say last year a similar incident ho but the proposal just to do a temporary way say and say a bridge kese was to put a 40-footer container and they share just to make it temporary for vehicles, you know, because place are quite a very busy part because of market women. No, then you just more trouble. It is sure no cut down kakra. Now if you break a share now on best say no. And if you want bridge be out, you juma be or that session. Just a session. I feel you call juma crowd, but call back in a shorter than a 0.9 be. The science should come on, so we need to intimate social should into my proposal say for break to by young years are breaking up because it shouldn't cut down kakra. Into just a temporary measure. Said a very quite a trouble. And because all the second a container and fire bridge and me who be crowd Ghana had that. But just a temporary measure. I did in the Akwa so just to make it more trouble. And it's no incident in the sea, you know. You're saying you should the same container no. And at this time, we say, upgrading the two. So that we are casting with me move walk on. She should have down a crap it. Nay, you continue near a proper bridge now on Pesce. It's near a quiet that die. I say, bridge do one and this are.
But what is your didn't I say?
We say we almost getting to almost 7 months in it.
Assemblyman, some of the share last year.
It is almost 7 months. We are in August, September.
We are in September. I know some of the share last year.
It is share last year around so almost 8 months. That's around December 20th there.
And they said 8 months, not try 8 months. Not just say 8 months. I know the share this year, but Assemblyman some of the share last year.
9 months.
And now we refer down with the share.
Oh, that year short December, around December, get to the end of the year now.
That time I didn't so it.
That time now, on and off. Then she talk about.
See, I toss from that time now. Be seeing ra.
Oh, there be. Oh, say a white jumano. Yeah, and say I say when I say say white jumano na. And for that section, you need to work. I was say jumano kra. You need to.
This our cost no one mbefa.
Oh, it befa cost be. Say you need construct this in bridge no. You need yes bridge no kra.
Tumbe ye free what abey say one said the na ye hu
you be ye free what this show no up down kakra bia be the next month or two by nyanya na bia within a year
na sensu no hwim ne kwai
for now the eye dey a bit must sustain for longer period
mo ye ne den makọ hu
ya ko ho aye ho adwuma enra
mo ye den na mo hu ye ne den na mo ye
o say the volume of issue e ba ho no the same container no because it's a span this one it won't be constructed covered immediately and the issue container no and then other support with the Niani we say and then few boulders there share both sides no and about issue no a bit me I will say
modi ndua ye ho adwuma
we are come e kwa na e trouble I will be a fast come but just a temporary measure I say
but you dua ben table
Scotland. What you fat out when you're Jumon?
And some person will tell me, dear.
A trees, maybe.
And I'm with Josso no.
Guess a temporary measure, I would say. Before answer, that big construction back over. Call the Kakapa near Beno.
And say, bedin that sense, and what to me draw.
They say, because we say, when I call emergency, no, yeah, should it bad down Kaka, you be giant, you might know that. Other side near the first time could go, but it should be in a man's time. And now this is should not go down. Mohano
a carrot say audit in a home.
There be and come.
enka ho
the other one na mo de tia any problem be o
na ese mo duru ho dada na se mo hyehyem na fe na se nka mo be ye duru ho
any se duru se kwa any se ba fe ne be ko
sa mo start adwuma kwa no so mfe sei ni
almost say call 2 years
mo ko 2 years
70 kilometers e kwan kase pa first one ye wi na onam so a ye wi 70 fe ne second one no ye take offer ye no
why na monitor mamu body tick nua de ade aka ho because insuo de ne ho den asa ye nkoso na ekọ
your consultants or kwan so muda so
all right me da se John
yeah
Captain so mo de enua kwesisi ho
de nua just
enti picture na ye hu no ni video na ye hwe no
correct
ena ye de enua kwesisi ho ena container na ye de adwoso no ana say ye nde se uti assemblyman no a wo se adwadifo ne se omuntumi mfaso bio efise container no awe na ache
container na no ni na
awe ya chese se car kese bi anipa doso bi efamu a ye twa ma atwenche mu asia na ade we ase ye twanya bibisi kuren ansa ne ateki action uza meka say ye nhwe say temporary we di a ye hu kwa de befa so nyesa ye nche no se kan nya accident o bibisi ne ye nyina de ani hu bibisi ama nipa wu a captain e wo se nipa etwena so e wo se etwena so pani wo se ne o makoye na ya de nipa betumi afa so menyini
2 issues me feel the timer you try video no attack akra from or no timer or cast or makwa koye adwuma foforo ho no it maybe
the video
o se no koye adwuma no
o se no koye adwuma na video no ye
video no ye no anopa
anu wa kire wo ne wakoye no
maybe o say ye sign enya another person mo kokohwe adwuma o mo claim so o maye no
wo bodi nua adwoso
the video of the almost your maye no na ye fan compare the wo ho dada no but captain the critical issue we mu how are you decentralized project be say unim say contractor be ayama no contract from the ministry na wabe we kra say ba be road ye fa say road ni etwam we kra na say wo assembly member do ko kra sa authority import to go and question the panel kra no even the DC because most of these projects no ye the amount from central government and our contract ya to seko e do be na authorities are within the district in Pono any power and post on be question on anything at oye and I think that's a anhwe sa nyoma ni yie because anka indeed assembly member na ka us assembly member ka say sa kwan ne ka kwan ya stop ya ban say or the contract and so say sa kwan no enka ho enti information anka sa kwan no enye coherent enti ya wo say ye hwe e fix sa problem no yemma kwaima assemblies no enya power kakra say yemma contract be say let's draw the assembly members in the DCs in no munya power no en supervise contractors no anya say obi tesro ho contractor na do district oh I don't report to you me report ma nipa or what top na assembly ne so hwe ne hwe han because we say assembly ni wo mu bia and e bia wo the container na e ba be yenhwe what other temporary measure na ebetimi use to container na the best option available and as it say no mu nyina ajojo ni enya the best result anya sadia
obinia wo ka ye de o se ye nhwe nya
assembly members no district no ya well
no ka say wo tie ni assembly member ne kan o mu case different
aban award contract Ministry of Roads
yes
emma contract to prove award district bia district assembly ni nya we say kwan we nye de ye be ye
no eno de wonim say kwan we nye de ye ba be ye o captain
enti we ye DC
yes
na say ye kwan wo district
yes
e kwan na ye no hu say kwan na nye papa be kum nipa waka contractor nti atro Ghana ha ye mpa atro tro na me ye record
yes
to the ministry ye wo krom ha na hemfo sorry wo Eastern region say kwan na contractor na ye no enye ahemfo sorry keke e kwan na contractor na ye sesa no from Apam Junction to Gomoa de Rampo.
Yes.
Aman for sorry, President Mahama Kodru stop here.
Can you say Nkofo awuka so mu raise issues now no? People outside the executive. DC na wo hono. You are part of the executive. Now who DC who go friend minister. A question is a contractor be Abba district.
There be one such say honorable minister. Contractor na oye kwan.
Yes.
Yeah, the district engineers na ko ho. Say ni. And na e koso. Mo amode contract no man no. Mo call the contractor to order. na be documented
na mostly nimpo captain in this case obehwe no na even district hokra road engineer and the other no for some of these contracts we ye be kick off meeting on the site engineers free Accra and eba
but
that is the problem.
Matthias
assembly member that kind
Matthias excellent point from you, but at the end of the day why district we a DC war and at the end of course when who say bekum nipa e sansa nya wo no ye no won kan yamfo anka hunti and then sanka ka fin kran no do okrom no nya accident abenko ho
ukwa question na contractor na catch us say oh you agree with urban road engineer was
right
almost yemfa
na watro atu paper so na be documented say as the DC me ko ho contractor na catch him say say ti me tro krata kra koma minister no e wo he ene na wa fa na wa kan
we yenya DC no nte ono so ne side na obi wunim say o ka sa decentralization say bia nka ye wo reason ti asa local government act ne ye de ba ye say yemfa amamuo no nko nipa no e wo form na boboa no enso sa de no de captain ta ka asem bi say e wo book mu e wo paper so nya adwuma evise nka ni yie mu a yesi o ye pese assembly no say ye me fan say atwema kwanwoma assembly say here ye nipa no e wo ho ne omuni momo hawo omo na omuni momo hawo enti no say ebia na contractor bi kura afiri wo no mo say mimi free atwema kwanwoma na me wo de adwuma hye me nsa mentumi nya ntete so mentumi mfa container nkote nhye fom enu enti ne yesi ye mfa nko enso anya adwuma enti ne wo kan de book mu asem ya kyese wo ho nanso anya adwuma DC no catching a benya no ya ne nkase bi so unim
anya adwuma de be bia so ya cosmetic and no say make sure say be adwuma
unim ade bia ehu pa
yes
Dr. Kwame Adokufo
yes
tamo no ye MP wo menhia na Abis Park ye project
yes
na adwuma no eye kokoasa sa woni no kwa na akoka kwadwo ya botre so fa yankose ye nya ne sa ye ntwro na watro krata baako watro mienu watro miensa a Ministry of Housing that time na I'm so number hackman na forgotten after do ministry horo no so ye hu letter be no so me copies ni
wa I know why you hu afri mu you've written
Adokufo kuta the letters also me hu so me copies any
data me send
you instantly na phone call asu ewo kumase gidigidi na auditors ko ho within 1 week na adwuma na start ko so
asempa
right let them right
asem ne kan is so for lie interchange asesi akwadwo kan ho asemi eno ne konkon ho no mo
afend ye hu se so for line say na ye ntu concrete kura
imagine
well it is projects on and ocean sofa line project now obehwe no obi anya project supervision car edamu obi car
afend wa katwi
ya obi car fantastic when supervise the project
and so onye ye sa Dubai circle interchange die no won say reporters e call ho no ka kese fa so sata me ka reporter ba ko geti si mi gina so ade na eswinge ebu ne pa ka kese fa so na ebu ne mu mahu se tokuro da ha say oye report na friend engineer na o say we ye modern technology ne ade aye adwuma no spring se ne be ya ka kese na fa so na ebu ne mu yes adwuma etumi bu ne mu enne kona ko hwe sa kwan no so atutu cars ni bi tumi fa so abehwe na sense ho na eyi abafam contractors ni bi ye adwuma bi ye ni ye bi so de if papa yasem ye okay captain me I'm not convinced I'm not convinced
me say hwe nyame na ye yadom na o share that tonsuo
ema eho
ena ho da ho
wan pa na ti ase se on fa container no ko
container na be she ho sa
wo fa kofodua kwan so bisa kofodua regional minister fodua so ofre no wadaje ye de ankre ekwan na ye se ye de ankre ye ne tempera na ka afa so no eka ho edimfie num na nsen na adomo be ko congress so se conference be ko na so wo munju kwan no so omkodwie no nkoku se se ya machine na edwu kwan bulldozer se den no enam so se hu se brain wakam hey yes your concrete na bu e ko na ya ankre
in the way a pass away ababa betodwa the role of the anti omo aye ka say when an central for ye hu the amoye bia de bo a oman ebi ni the role of the media ye watchdog role na akwakọ yi sa de aba and we would insist say contractor said they want to din komo yi we do the follow ups and we pomenya anka ene ya will be wo ho a onkonkwohwe
the contractor video ni bra me no that krompo
onkohwe enua no mo de ajo so no ne yen hwe
so for line ye say ye gu concrete ne tare ye clay no ye bonu nua say that time na nsu nto ti clay na emu awo ne ye gu concrete ne tare clay no
it's so dangerous
so the toy and why ye say detach it why say we
and maintias here say government of Ghana sponsored project dia yentimi nyanwie enti ensem frem
yenye papa nso gidan edan bi ebesewe bi amfie num na apai
government of Ghana project funded project bi enu aya yewie ati ensem frem in terms of roads
yentimi nyanwie
every road aya yewie bia ye donor funded it's
so for line police ni bi mi refinity or retirement pra nkonko order the car.
And
who answer say no
and yeah the double road. Who's a abu akwa? Oh yeah the double road. Who bedru abu akwa na yes single traffic. Etimi chewo. Hey.
Kumasi de nim say Sunday the traffic ni mo every day.
And that's why a double road na we dey aba be single lane. Traffic ni so much.
Achimota ufri old man come hono be ba Kingsby ho.
Yeah.
E ho kakra ni tutu. Say o ma be patch and then answer and I you do na how much I said to say
Captain mam kom paper
so na say e ya sheda ye say e bosum bi na te ho
say nipa ne yes adwumafo no wie ne ye kope ne say yes Joshmo say hwan na yes adwuma we eti ya so ne pa achi masa ye gie sika vi say say e wo mrem say wo ye adwuma no kra wie a 1 year say performance auditing e wo say etumi ye ne hu enti saa biri ni nyina no hwan na ye adwuma no hwan na di na ni di achi
me Ghana ha de bia ya twa two papers bi am ntan sheda nji ndi
the reality now the year
agide the AC matra kwamwa
yagani
most of our road patch and
contract for short 3 letters letter na ekoda ho okoye pampam onu anim say masa be copy ni o say ye de call krikr na de hu ni say hwe technocrat no adwuma no onye o
yes
onye hu minister kope yes or the office no asore jina oh yes sir yeah course
everything is under control.
Everything is under control yes sir we'll give you report instantly when me kwa so ni ho so that day no munya car
but when say road patch and contract no we say enya contract asams ni mu yedu intia no be hwe no mo de ma party hwan full soldier bi a wa register company bi say road patching there and no fa gravels no the front bitumen omo kwaya ya
ma example ashaman boy bi ana minim no boy no ono chese contract kura on ti bi da Kofi Asante ho yo yade adwuma ne share boy ne nsa no no ye full soldier kese pa omo ewo area ho no nyira nim se boy yi won tiwe efa kwan ho enso ye de kwan share
journalist bi anje kwan
ma Kofi Asante me describe kwan ne nkire
road patching contract there
oje kwan wo kumase na menya da ba abotre
presenter je contract
oje contract
o ye kwan
na okọ kwan mo
enso presenter o ye kwan
okọ so bi bru na abante na o twi di grade na o se kai masa wo de adwuma no wan tiase yakra adwuma me na wa ba ya ni ma yire kwan sa wa kwana we de wa ma yire ne wa nya kwan ba ya ke no no bo samosa po se ye hwe wo de contract no nya ya che za contract wo nya ba since yes
it is our road patching there captain until say e be pay contractors are papa and ensure some be to some standards they be on be kwakwa because on a party ni wa anya ne 3 days atutu when na ko kan
the so Sophie ma she kweye kwa
abuja for me ye paper no ba ku mi enu ye
kwa na ene ye be se Kofi
ai ba o miss ya the daily guide shas ya abuja da bonkata na poso enie daily guide anim na napia men's gold boss and wada nimu no o siri say ya so frakento so shekente na da bonkata isi men's gold ene mpanimfo a wada second no ena ntokwa no de abomu den ene saying men's gold mpanimfo say mpanimfo mu de enkrata bi abre won Securities and Exchange Commission mpanimfo na mu de enkrata abre wo say wadwuma no a wo ye no efa bi wo ho no mo ankanka ho gold hu dwadie ye gi sika to ho no mo say bi a ye de to ho na da chen so wanya so mfa so enka madwuma huntimu nyai muka kire wo no omugu so a enkrata niam e wo so ye nyina ogu so ye afedie na anu wo kote a mo se an enkrata no aba abontin wo bi ekitabi ama na manfo bohu den enti Men's Gold se da bi asem no wonum de ama wa lawyerfo nsom na ba bi anenam kwan ya sekifo fa so no wodie no wo hu se niema entwa ye fi se mo se anhwe ya ba yete se banki kura frɛ ne sen banki ya no mo se kwasi nya ntachi dia sa nya ne de ono ne de ne wo ho ene adidin bi ba se we ye kwasi nya ntachi dia na manfo dimirika ye sika bank no wagu
de si okuma asem
enti we die Men's Gold for se da bi mo nko so fie panic bi a manfo ye koyi sika o na ye se egu ebehwe na enwu ye na mo de egu o madwuma nti o mo se mra ene o mo de be ye adwuma na Daily Guide kro no asumu NDC amanwekuo no Daily Guide headline dey say NDC boy sues government over new regions. NDC boy na enu na se odidi mu na wo ba kratafa ensia samu wo ha ne se group bi a ye frɛ won ye se edi eda wo so ene Thinkers Network Africa wonum se regions nsia ban yi se opeso ote eka edu dada ye wo honom no wonti ase ni enti omo so omo nti ase ni womo se Electoral Commission say Ghana fo be kire wadwen no nam so ate sa regions no se ebedi atum se anyintum na omo de omo nim say ye ka Ghana population no a ye dɔɔso se ye bibi e wose nyina ye bom na nso we de ne mpanimfo de aba ne say regions ebeti sa new regions no afiri ho no ɛhɔ nko a na ombɛkire omadwen mu amonka ho mu ntina mo baabi ɛna omo se dabi omo nti ase enti lawyer Godwin Kojo Tamaklo na asem no wokita mu dendende se wode kokoto na mpanimfo nhwe ne Electoral Commission for ye ne se yesi ebeka se ye beti new regions efa wo ho nko a na asem no woni side ma ye ne ayaka nyina omo nkyire mefi so omo de enya de se omo ti ase
ye nhwe mpanimfo abakrum hande including the UN Secretary General
and in Penjifo Bebre, Osha Ghanaian Times and Nima, also Kofi Annan's funeral, world leaders arrive in Accra.
That's right.
Pictures of Wahana Niger Prime Minister, Mr. Brigui Rafini, Mr. Bonito de Souza Baltazar Diogo, Angola Vice President Wababedu, Ethiopian President Dr. Mulato Teshome Ononswabedu, and a Namibia President Dr. Hage Giono ononso ababedu
EU officials need and so aba I mean
Penjifo Bebre
expecting about 24%
and then ye nem pempen so pa
and then
ne wumbia ye betumi hu
but what almost Men's Gold story no was a okay enra statement no mu issue ye no but no pay am so ma say issue another statement
Men's Gold for no
yes they no can say dear valued customer, in the face of the regulatory challenges associated with our gold vault market product, it has become pertinent that all extra value payment and any new business on that product be temporarily halted from 13th September 2018, that's end, to 19th September 2018 to continue engaging with the Securities and Exchange Commission for a quick and smooth resolution. We would, as usual, count on your understanding and cooperation during this period. For any further clarification, please call only the 2 numbers account. Any inconvenience caused is deeply regretted. Thank you.
So from 13 to 19.
Almost
6 days.
6 days. After reading the 6th statement, you know, say really, you know, ebia how a media ni be reporting at the end critics are panicking, but of course say let be so leak here and the apprehension and the amount for any rest assured say there is really no cause for alarm amonya botre and to tunioma kamana obia hontono
and niema bi say so ya yenhwe a leaky no so ya doso we din na nyame na miliki ye say ade no musemu nkitahudi ye kokko madwuma na mo ya why ne leaky ye if say no na manipa bohu no tie to da omonhwe ne management so because yes na wo nipa akoma obi kakrakra odi akoto ye the Business and Financial Times beto so na nu hia pa vi say enhwehwemu abani yesi sika ye de kwoto bank no wu say bribi atwam na nka Ghana nipa do na first kanko na amanfo board dawuro kromfo be wia Ghana fo se ye de beko na nanu de ye hyasie no yesi emfie numnie hwehwemu kyerɛ sɛ Ghana dodoɔ no agya sika yɛ de kɔto bank the lowest ya hit the lowest amount for edit onum sika kɔto deposit no in 5 years yes e kɔfem
and I want to say all of a sudden European countries no ago kwan a we to foreign national baba be account name
sir
yes Italy, Austria, Luxembourg. I was reading about Luxembourg and what they are doing now is a first nasanka opeso could be account or so when you obi or no really do but if you can prove yourself worthy now you can open an account.
That's in Luxembourg.
Yes.
Okay.
Imagine.
You can.
And you have a man for baby $1 account no pa.
You can open an account.
No, but it was expected. Osha the last 1 year crisis I hate financial sector now. Sa research we results now abano true because banking industry thrive on confidence. In the BB ever hate confidence, the BB amount for us because and even affected rural banks in Poa or more income. And it will take some time in the year kase measures our Bank of Ghana di go akwemu to resolve our challenge or money open and transparent. Carry the people along. Manko for who say nioma wuye ni investor community ni be who nioma wuye and no be restore confidence. And they say Parliament et na sanse mo inso it shouldn't be in camera. Mama will be a who be near who said nioma is to restore confidence.
Meme how you Ghana Semba penny yedidi. Asa semno Jonasa. Now one says so supervise na san kwada. Edwom hayi yapon adwuma bia abu kenansa will make sure say morning show team makoshia
meetings
ya supervisor ya sa supervisor adwuma na wunya maye no e kire kura adwuma ya be kura ya bot na wo be supervisor me adent na Bank of Ghana wo monitoring team e wo auditors na je yet na hwa mani do this level
captain
men can say any concern
na wote ha we interviewer near Osha monitoring so be sa ne say woji tum se Bank of Ghana fo anyom adwuma yo say han wona so nti wodi ni posu wona so nti wodi ni posu
can transfer o so na ye punishment o mo ko hwa de na nye papa no mo tro say ye papa
transfer ye punishment wo transfer ye punishment
e ade en wo say ye allow it's terrible
Captain Daybreak wo hu
we ma men kan chat for say Women's World Bank you know come
okay I'm so much more
confidence on kwan no so wa je ni na on check book ne fe
tesano janshi ho
ni na je say on check book na fe pa ni na je say
no so emema nyina timi diska ko ho
de we obisi ma bisi
emema no kraja mo ya age aboso
de be na say ya age aboso na say entwa
ya muti women na mudi mirika mawura mo pesa mo kire say
say nyam ko na mo dia o say be ma wo bia na hwede papa
wo de minimso bia nwura nka nka I'm saying for Daybreak into us so na Daybreak ya say enti ade no aye ni poni friends and ya no customs so honom no ya say paperless system ni nyina achi no ya say ya toa ya jeje na fi ya boka susu ankoye eto na jeje ya revenue no ahwefam say team na ahwefam no ene ya say sem panimfo bo ha ani dunum 115 custom officers bi wo hono mo e na omo hya kire ni ese kro no bo fraud wo bi di ade no ba na wo se wo yi na sika wo se wo tuom so mame no renji o so we nka ko tua nka be tua 100 fa 50 bra na ko e na omo agege sa nti ese ya che won na kabito mi hwemu no ne ya me nwanwa ye ma ye bo omo hyeda chiche mu ododo no emma wom emma wom
fa ka ho pre ko kaso den ho na
enye
me de be say ye bo mu tuja no
enye 115 no
enra chief executive
yes krono na say paperless system na ntumi entu krono bonase
o ma sorry Ghana Revenue Authority
paperless system na be ya adwuma nipa na wo say ehwe say be ya adwuma it say nipa no any interest o mu a o sabotage it dey anya adwuma o hwe yare o say GRA boss strikes at Tema Port 4 customs officers sent home for conniving with importers to under-declare goods. They've been ordered to surrender omu uniforms, any ID cards. Customs officers also omu ensure. And okay, and now be a President Mills, I mean for the currency, Tema Port. Who ebufu a ɔde kasa
nko yesu sabre no nko yesu
up until now
Etabi sade no ye wie na hwensi.
okosu keke ohun Asenama.
Then I see somebody should tell me nothing happened.
No, that's how people who you will say Asia. And yeah,
easy. 18 penny for no say a big coffee, be so dear chira say dodo no wonum beko and a day break there your day aba.
You fancy yenda ne homra. Na ye buy any Women's World Bank for Monkomo. Yebesia.